Place the tip of the meniscal depth probe with scale on the lateral edge of the meniscus to determine the required width for the puncture needle to enter the meniscus. Press the push button for the depth limiter to adjust the depth limiter to the required length. Insert the matching slotted cannula into the joint through the corresponding port of the arthroscope. Insert the delivery puncture needle into the joint through the slotted cannula, ensuring the end of the puncture needle faces downward. For vertical repair, insert the delivery needle into the outer meniscal fragment with the T1 insertion point, approximately 5 mm above the edge of the tear, and advance it to the preset depth. Keep the puncture needle in place. Push the slider forward to deploy T1. A clicking sound should be heard, and the deployment slider should return to its proximal most position. Deploy the second implant T2. Move the knot pusher and suture cutter gently along the suture toward the knot to achieve the required tension. Push the knot pusher and suture cutter so that its tip presses against the knot and advance the knot toward the meniscus. Trim the remaining suture. Repeat the procedure according to the number of sutures required for the injury until the surgery is completed.